Hey, good morning. I was going to talk a little bit about a variety of interactive tasks, and I was going to type it up, and I figured I better just do it as a video. That will be a little bit easier to show you. So this is a new Doodle note page that I just made, and you can get it for free if you want to look more closely, but I'm just going to show it up close on the video and kind of explain how we have a variety of different interactive tasks. That's one of the things that we want to make sure we include on the Doodle notes, like opportunities for kids to color, sketch, do all kinds of different things. You don't want it to just be writing or just fill in the blank, but a lot of people have questions about that. So I'm going to show you on this example just some of the different ways that I included a variety of different interactive tasks. So this one specifically I did this in a partnership with the new TV show about Domino Masters from Fox. So there's information about that here too, but this is math and physics in domino topples. And so I kind of went around and did all different types of interactive tasks. And I just want to show you like how many different types you can fit in one Doodle note. So here we have fill in the blank. And then this one tells them they have to write like, where's the momentum? So they have to point it out. So just like simple pointing and identifying. And then I used all these little like write it, sketch it, color code it, draw it, all these different things to show where they're doing different tasks. So they have to make the formula and identify the variables. They have to do these sketches down here and then just like doodle and write Newton's name and the definition. That's just kind of plain note taking. So you can have plain old note taking where they write something, add a definition, but then they also are doing sketching. And then here they're actually using this graphic in a purposeful way. They're color coding it to get the rectangular prism. So they make a net. So you'll see they have the orange faces are these like big flat ones, and then the tall sides, and then the smallest rectangles, and they make the net and kind of match them all up. So the color coding here matches the color coding here, where they're gonna add it all up and find the surface area. And then they do, a math problem. So they have to do all these different tasks. Here they're just kind of like identifying by coloring it in. You can just have like options and they have to kind of like select and color. So you could do that with classifying things or true or false or anything like that. And then the second page kind of real quick has a bunch of different tasks too. So they're writing within each thing as they do the math. They're, graphing. So for mine, I just kind of do, these little notes sometimes, like define it over here where the kids have their directions, graph it, extend it, and try this now. So they're doing all different kinds of tasks, but you can fit quite a lot on one page is the point there.